Hey there, DIY coders. Welcome to HTML Quickie, where we teach you HTML so that it's easy for you to understand. Before we get started, I do have a starter video for you to check out down in the description below. It's for people who have only a rough idea of what HTML is or have absolutely no clue. You can have a look at that video again down in the description below. And if we're all good with that though, we can go ahead with this video. So let's get you prepared. Have your text editor out, have your web browser out, and have those two applications open to the file we'll be working on. And if your text editor is out, have this piece of code copied. If you need to pause the video, go ahead. Otherwise, we're starting now. So we'll be learning something called the emphasis tag. So let's just start typing out this tag here. So that's the emphasis tag, and we'll write in some random text. Say this is emphasized, spelling is bad, emphasized text. All right, and we'll save that, and my browser will automatically refresh the window. If you need to refresh your browser manually, then you can go ahead and click the refresh button, or you use the shortcut button to refresh your browser. And so you'll notice this text looks a little bit italics, but we don't know if that's something by default in general. So let's compare that to the, say, p tag. All right, and we'll have the same text in there. And yeah, so it's an italics version of the regular text that we have here. So is that it? Is that all there is to it? Just italicized text? No, not quite. It will be useful to make your text italicized, but according to the HTML standard we have, there is a special meaning to this, that this text is quote unquote emphasized, just like the name of the tag. Now, supposedly this is supposed to be used by applications and programs to recognize that this is emphasized text. Whether those applications, programs have utilized that is a different story. So from what I can read on the internet, that this has no signs, at least no great amount of programs, or at least no programs of notice that use this tag in particular to utilize that this is emphasized text. So that means that say if there was a program out there in comparison that actually utilizes this emphasized text, they would process it in a certain way where it would have some sort of use one way or another. But in the current cases, there is actually no use for this. At least no programs or applications are using this code in particular to process emphasized text. So yeah, so basically the only current use this has is that this makes text italicized, at least for the at least to my knowledge. So to reiterate, to remind you that currently, to my knowledge, there is no program, there is no search engine that will take advantage of this emphasis tag. And that this will render in most browsers, if not all browsers, as italicized text. And that's it. It's just plain and simple. It's a little more simple than you would expect it, but that's how it is currently. So if you found this video helpful at all, you can be sure to leave me a thumbs up. If my teaching skills wasn't on par, or if it was something ugly, you know, give me that nasty thumbs down. I can take it. I can take it. And it'd be especially helpful if you can tell me why, if it was or wasn't especially helpful, down in the description below, or down in the comments below, not the description. And if I've earned it, you know, you can subscribe to the channel, you know, help a guy out. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. So thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.